Amanda would do that. She's 13. Brandon, look at Daddy.
What are you gonna do, Brandon?
Open this present.
Why? It's not Christmas yet.
I want to open it.
It's a pre-Christmas.
Yep. It's a free Christmas.
All right. Let me see what you got. Who's it from?
Amanda.
No. Are you sure that's yours?
Yeah, that's my name.
Are you sure? How do you know?
Be gentle with that wrapping paper. Oh, that's not being gentle.
Oh my God.
Do you like it?
What is it? What is it?
Say it. Read it.
It's a Ninja Turtle movie.
Is it? How do you know?
Ninja Turtle.
Is that what it says, or is that what the picture says?
We watch it every night.
Which one?
Well, this is actually the movie. This ain't the animated.
That's cool. Say
Wow, what do you say?
Thank you.
You're
Is that what you
welcome.
always wanted?
I didn't add it on my list. You want to see it? Dad, he's gonna.